This tiny PC is so powerful it can replace a massive desktop. But is the GMKtec EVO-X3 actually worth your money, or is it just another overhyped mini PC? Meet the GMKtec EVO-X3, an AI-focused mini workstation packed into a body that literally fits in your hand. Inside, it features AMD's Ryzen AI Max processor with powerful Radeon graphics, ultra-fast LPDDR5X memory, PCIe Gen 4 SSD storage, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, multiple USB ports, HDMI, and USB 4 for high-speed connectivity. That means it isn't just built for office work. It can handle AI workloads, content creation, multitasking, programming, 4K media editing, and even modern gaming without taking up your entire desk. The biggest advantage? You're getting desktop-level performance in an incredibly compact design that's easy to carry, quieter than a traditional tower, and far more power efficient. But here's the catch. The hardware looks impressive, yet real buyers say your experience depends on where you purchase it. Amazon buyers benefit from stronger return policies, while some customers who ordered directly from GMKtec reported shipping delays and customer service issues. So if you're planning to buy one, Amazon is the safer option. The GMKtec EVO-X3 proves that powerful PCs don't have to be big anymore. But now the real question is, would you trust a mini PC to replace your full-size desktop? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to follow for more honest tech reviews.